matters to do with short-term borrowing that was being canvassed by both the national and county government. The position is that the East African community countries have a convergence that governments should avoid borrowing from their central banks, and that is the position that will be harmonized by 2021, and therefore borrowing by counties that had been requested by to this council was declined, because already national government is in the process of pulling out from short-term borrowing. We have limited resources that is coming from the shareable revenue, and it has been our position that we encourage counties as much as possible to look out for their own sources of revenue. We have agreed that the necessary regulations be published to support counties in that exercise. CRA will provide a framework for the voluntary assessment of counties for their credit worthiness, so that we avoid the many dubious organizations that occasionally rate counties as one being better than the other on a framework that is not agreed on by anybody. We have agreed that CRA will engage professional consultants that will then ask counties on a voluntary basis to participate in the exercise of their assessment for credit worthiness that will go into making counties attractive for investment and making counties also attractive for credit. Okay.